The morning sun rises gently over our camper, and after our breakfast we prepare for another day of discovery. Today, our journey takes us to Trelleborg, home to a remarkable open-air museum that brings the Viking age back to life. Here, among the reconstructed houses and fortifications, we step into the daily world of the Vikings, seeing how they lived, worked, and built their communities centuries ago. From traditional crafts to the echoes of battles fought, every detail tells a story of resilience, exploration, and legacy. Walking through this settlement, it feels less like a museum and more like stepping through a doorway in time. After a great visit to the Viking Museum, we're back at the camper. We've fired up the power station to brew a nice cup of coffee. Giving us the perfect boost before we hit the road again. Where land meets sky and waters carve their way through time, the High Coast Bridge rises. A silent giant of steel and stone. More than a crossing, it is a passage into the heart of Sweden's untamed north. The morning leads us to Örebro. A city where history still walks the streets. Here, in Wadköping Open Air Museum, time seems to slow down. Wooden houses, cobblestone lanes, and workshops whisper stories from the 17th, 18th, and 19th centuries. Every corner feels like a glimpse into the everyday lives of those who once built this town. Just a short walk away, rising from the waters of the Svarton, stands Örebro Castle. Built in the 13th century and transformed over the centuries, its walls carry tales of kings, battles, and royal gatherings. We found a special place for the night at the old Western store on Engevägen, a quiet spot where we could enjoy the wide views and the colors of a beautiful evening sky. The next morning, our journey took us to Ystad, the town of Wallander. We wandered through its charming streets, lined with hollyhocks and roses, and soaked in the warm atmosphere of this coastal gem. Sweden is a truly beautiful country. After 6 weeks of traveling through its landscapes, it's with a heavy heart that we say goodbye as we take the ferry to Germany. We want to thank you so much for watching our series, Epic Journey Through Sweden and Lapland. Your support means the world to us, but this is not the end. Our next adventure is already waiting to begin. So if you don't want to miss it, make sure to subscribe. It's free. And if you like our films, give them a thumbs up. It helps us more than you know and shows us we're on the right path. See you on our next adventure. Until then, safe travels.